Welcome to Indian Market in Minutes from Motilal Oswal Research Desk. We will be covering technical and derivatives SII's activity, index, actionable sectors and stocks to watch out. So stay tuned till the end.
Hey, this is your host Shivangi Sarda Malpani, and to start with our first segment for Wednesday, 10th December 2025, Nifty index opened negative and continued the selling streak and broke its immediate support of 25,750 levels. It attempted some recovery post the initial sell-off but again gave up towards the end of the session and closed with losses of around 120 points. It formed a small body bearish candle on the daily frame and has been making lower highs, lower lows from the last two sessions. Now, India VIX was down by 1.5% to 10.95 levels. Nifty put call ratio increased to 0.86. Option data suggests a broader trading range in between 25,400 to 26,300 marks, while immediate range is in between 25,600 to 26,100. Moving on to the second segment in the equity cash market, FIIs were net sellers to the tune of 2,972 crores, while DIIs were buyers worth 5,347 crores. FII's index long-short ratio decreased to 10.8%. Going ahead with the index actionable, derivatives data and price setup suggest till the time Bank Nifty holds below 59,500, some weakness could be seen towards 59,000 marks, while hurdle can be seen at 59,500 zones. And finally, talking about the sectors and stocks to watch out, positive setup can be seen in LTF, Titan, MCX, Shriram Finance, Laurus Labs, AU Bank and Canara Bank, while some weakness could be seen in Asian Paints, Inox Wind, Max Healthcare, BPCL and Piramal Pharma. Wish you a super day ahead. Shivangi Sarda Malpani signing off. Follow this podcast for solid advice.
Investment and securities market are subject to market risk. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.